The Dead Sea, the lowest place on Earth, is over 400 meters below sea level. Famous worldwide for its incredible health properties, the Dead Sea is the only place with such a high concentration of natural minerals. Minerals are vital to the body's proper functioning. Magnesium for a healthy heart, calcium for strong bones, potassium to energize the body. Most people have mineral imbalance, but won't consume the amount of fruits and vegetables their body requires. Now, there's a delicious solution. Mineral gum, tasty and healthy. Mineral gum is packed with natural minerals from the Dead Sea. Specially designed by Israeli biotechnicians, mineral gum is the world's first chewing gum produced with Dead Sea minerals. Dozens of essential minerals are in every bite. Mineral gum has all the features of other top brands: freshness, pH enhancement, sugar-free formula, and great taste. Plus, a wealth of essential minerals. Choose your favorite flavor: cinnamon, mint, mild mint, watermelon, and brand new strawberry. Mineral gum, simply healthier gum.